Well, it's a momentous occasion here at the chicken shed, aka the barn. Tim here has finished his van, he's come, he's worked, and now he's on his way off. Rebecca is about to film a van tour of Tim's van. So if you want to see the van tour of Tim's amazing van, then do check out Rebecca's channel.
Yeah, it's a really good van tour.
Tell you what, I'm going to give you a really quick peep inside his van.
Is that it?
That's it, that's all you're getting.
It's a teaser.
It's just a teaser. If you want to see the whole thing, make sure you check out Rebecca's channel. Now, let's go and take a look at John's van, because he's also going to be leaving today, and he's done loads of work on his van. It's an amazing transformation. Okay, so let's start by looking underneath John's bed. Everyone likes to look in the garage area after all. Look a bit like Hilda Ogden there. So as you can see underneath here now, there's no more diesel heater fuel tank in the corner there. That's gone. You're now taking your diesel from the
main tank.
Yep. Also, really I noticed this is a bit different too. There's something missing from there. The gas boiler's gone.
Yeah, it's gone now. It's now up the top here. It's just too open to get damaged.
Yeah.
So I put a load of stuff in, electric bikes, everything. And I was afraid it'd get damaged and everything else. So,
yeah, they are quite fragile.
Yeah, this way, it's out of the way, and Eve's a little bit smaller than me, so her feet won't touch that.
Okay.
When she's sleeping.
I was just going to say, aren't you worried that that's going to be in the way when you bed at night?
Yeah, so you can actually see it better.
Oh yeah, all your stuff up there, you're packing up, you're ready to go.
For home, hot bath.
Hot bath, shut up. I can't remember last time I had a bath. But I do take showers on a regular basis. Oh, I do like the outlet. Look at that. That is nice. Where did you get that from?
I got it from Amazon, but I liked it because it's very Star Trek-ish.
Yeah.
And I'm into sci-fi, you know, so...
It looks like off a boat.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it's, I got it with my mate, Keith Thompson and Trevor. He found it for me.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's really good.
It looks like a vent from a boat, like off a boat deck.
Yeah, does it? Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Looks very similar to something you'd have on the deck of a boat to vent the cabins below. Okay, well that's enough outside. Let's have a look inside.
This way.
Did you manage to do your shower?
Yes, we've done all that. Yeah, the shower's all done. Really nice. We built this out more because it was a bit smaller from there, and we got a two-hob gas sink. We built this out, we've got a little drawer here, put all our dirty shoes and everything else.
Nice.
If you go in, you can have a...
And the stickers are gone.
Yeah, yours is going to be the only one on there.
Right, I like that. I'll have to go and get you one in a minute.
Because the other is plastic's too old.
Look at that, that's lovely, John.
So we've got two big white cabinets there.
Let me just change the lens on my camera so we can get it all in. Look at that. So what was you saying about the cupboards?
Well, the cupboards are all open up now, as you can see if you want to open one up.
Let's have a look. Go on, I'll stand over and let you show us. Oh, hang on.
Well, we never had before, we never had enough storage, but now, you know, we got...
Wow, they're huge.
Yeah.
You still got the hole in the ceiling though.
Yeah, that's just things I can do when I get home. It's
yeah.
Not, to do
of course
here.
You can.
Yeah, and they just shut up like that. And then you've got 3 overhead cabinets here, which is again, loads of room.
Wow.
So again, I mean, all this I'll be touching up when
I
I'm
like
at
these.
leisure.
Where'd you get those from? Are they?
Amazon.
Can I try that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's no way that's going to come open, is
No,
it?
that's always the problem we've had because we're driving along.
it just all falls out. Come open by mistake.
No, so I'm putting magnets on as well at the bottom if I think they need it. And
look at the size of the kitchen. I'm going to have to stand in the bathroom to get it all in the camera.
And that's the 2-hob sink we put in. $30.
That is nice.
And we just got to stain this when we're home. I mean, Eve likes doing that, so I'll get her to do that. And yeah, it's all gassed up, everything. There you go. Just got to hold it down to it. I'm holding this up. There, see? There's the gas. I can let it go.
Look at that. Nice little washing up bowl as well. That'd be perfect for my sink. Where'd you get that?
I don't know, I probably nicked it.
We'll
I
leave
can't
it.
remember, Eve got that, so I don't know where that's come from. But when they sent the sink, they didn't send the tap that comes with it. So I've had to put my old tap on for now, just to connect up the water, make sure everything's okay. But that's coming next week sometime, so that'll be that.
Yeah.
These are the drawers.
Oh, look at that. It's so fresh. They've still got wood shavings in.
Yeah, but I'm not sure what Eve would like, so I'm leaving it to her
Yeah.
to decide before we do it. And then
Oh,
it's
that's a good idea.
That's it, all nice and locked. And you've got the sink drawers. Again, we've got to get the handles on. That's something I can do.
Oh, you know what you want to do? If you can open that, I'll show you a trick. I'll show you a camper builder's trick. Right,
Okay.
get that tape and tape it. Put a bit of tape sticking out. Not on the magnet, just on the, just stick it out.
Yeah.
Like make a tab. That's it.
Yep.
And now shut the door and you've got a little tab to open it next time you need to open
I
it.
couldn't get it. Yeah.
There you go.
I've got nice handles to go on there.
Yeah.
So when I get home, I should do that. The bench has been lowered because we got rather a high Fonton bench. Car that goes on it, and that's all done. And we've got new curtains going up on magnetic hooks all along here.
Nice.
That will cover the, when we're inside.
And the shower door, you've made that bigger, I see.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. The entrance used to be about here, and it's really tight to get in when you had the section come down. But now we've opened it up, we can now put another rail in, and the curtain just comes across, and it's easier to have a nice shower and everything. But also to get the porta toilet out easier as well, which is quite good. And this is I'm quite proud
Your
of.
boiler,
The boiler, yeah. Which is similar to your one. I think it's a bit bigger than your one.
Yeah, mine's a 8 litre. You've got a 12.
12, yeah. So now we've got all the overhead cabinets we could ever want. Eve's got her own wardrobe here now, and I've got this little bit here because I don't really matter.
That's right, you've got to put the lady first.
Always. That's it.
Are you pleased with it?
Yeah. I can't wait to go. I can't wait for Eve to see it, and I hope she really likes it
Yeah.
because we worked hard on it.
Look at that. What a lovely van that really is. You've done a fantastic job, John. How long have you been here?
Just nearly 3 weeks.
3 weeks. All that work in 3 weeks. That's just amazing. It's really transformed it, hasn't it?
I think so, and it's all, we like it nice and white because it's nice and bright in here. But now we can put some decorations on the whiteness, like stickers and things like that. And also we've got a whole new wall now as well, so all my old friends are going to have to give me new stickers. But your one will go pride of place.
I'll go and get that right now. So, John, there's only one thing left to do. There you go, mate.
Oh, thank you, Mel. I'll tell you, mate, you're going to be the first one on the new wall.
Lovely. So what advice would you give anyone considering building a camper van?
It's harder than you think, but it's good fun. You're going to make mistakes, and that's it. It's good fun.
But the most important thing is...
subscribe to Mel's channel.
Thank you, John. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
Well, John, it's been an absolute pleasure meeting you. Thank you very much for showing us around your beautiful camper van. Safe travels. Can't wait to see you again and maybe meet the wonderful Eve. I've heard so much about her, it's almost like I know her. So I really look forward to meeting you, Mrs. soon.
Yeah, so look
Out
forward
on
to
the
it
road
too.
one day.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. That was the wonderful John. Make sure you do give him a thumbs up. Now let's see how Tim and Becky are getting on. Have you finished your van tour?
We have.
Yeah.
Yeah? And how did it go?
That's good. Yeah.
Excellent.
Quite a lot to show, but
Yeah.
So have you enjoyed your time here at the barn?
yeah, it's been brilliant.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it's been brilliant.
You've got lots done. How long have you been here?
4 months.
4 months.
Yeah, came in beginning of Jan.
But you've only been working weekends, haven't you?
Yeah, weekends, and I was pretty far along when I came here
Yeah.
because I've had it for about a year. So
But you've still done a lot in the short
yeah,
time.
loads.
So before we go, what advice would you give anyone considering building out a camper van?
One thing would be to subscribe to Big Van Small World.
Good answer. Pleasure to meet you, Tim.
Nice one,
Have
mate.
a safe onward journey, and we'll no doubt see you again sometime out on the road.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, there you go, that's John and Tim done. They're finished, they're out of here, which means only one thing. There's now 2 spaces left here at the barn, so if you're interested in renting a space here at the barn, I will leave all the details you need to know down in the description of this video. Hopefully, we'll see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe to Becky's channel.
Bye.